Most people assume wealth looks obvious. Expensive cars, designer outfits, lavish vacations, but genuine wealth operates very differently. The people building real money often don't even feel wealthy. They're too focused on the foundation to notice the progress. There are 8 subtle indicators that you're quietly accumulating wealth, even when it doesn't feel like a jackpot moment yet. First, you've mastered the habit of spending less than you earn. It's not about deprivation, it's about intentionality. That gap between what arrives and what stays is the fundamental engine of wealth creation. It compounds in silence. If that gap is expanding, even incrementally, your trajectory is correct. You are building peace. Second, your thinking has shifted from quick wins to long-term gains. You've stopped hunting for shortcuts. You measure progress in decades, not days. You care more about compound growth than overnight success. Quiet wealth is boring. It's automated contributions maintained while others jump between trends and lose. Third, you've built a financial buffer and you feel no need to broadcast it. You've assembled breathing room. An emergency becomes an inconvenience rather than a catastrophe. You've purchased psychological peace. Having 3 to 6 months of expenses save places you in the top tier of financial resilience. Quietly. Fourth, your income has increased without your spending following suit. You've resisted lifestyle inflation. When a raise arrives, your first question is how much more can be invested, not what can now be purchased. This resistance is the clearest separator between those who look rich and those who actually are. Fifth, you've stopped measuring your progress against other people's visible choices. Other people's debt doesn't trigger envy. You recognize that most visible wealth is financed by future security. You've found immunity to social pressure. When comparison stops, spending aligns with your values. You are no longer performing for an audience. Sixth, money has stopped dominating every conversation. It has receded into the background. Your systems are functioning. Mental bandwidth is now redirected toward purpose, family, and legacy. Quiet money enables an interesting life precisely because it stops demanding so much of your attention. Seventh, you've begun valuing time more highly than possessions. You use money to purchase agency. Wealth isn't just an account balance. It's how free you feel when you wake up each morning. You trade money for hours, not hours for stuff. You are reclaiming your life 1 hour at a time. Finally, you've stopped making excuses and started taking complete ownership of your financial reality. You don't blame the economy or your income. You focus on the variables you can actually control. When ownership extends to money, money begins working for you. The trajectory becomes inevitable. If you recognize even one of these indicators, you're already traveling a road most never discover. Wealth isn't a jackpot. It's a steady, unglamorous accumulation of something genuinely durable. And you're closer than you think. Keep going.